So now I got this new GoPro, brand new, well not brand new, it's used. So I am starting this video exactly where the last GoPro stopped. You can see the difference. Absolutely. I was walking up to that road damage sign, so no need to reiterate. This is Joe. Hello all you keeping it realers out there in YouTube land. Joe Blair here once again, keeping it real in Thailand. And don't get more real than this. This is down at Grandmother Rock here late at night. Not late at night, but as about the sun's about to set. There's the Grandfather Rock that I wanted to come down and video the last time. But was, let's just say, rudely interrupted when my camera died. Literally died. So now I got this new GoPro, brand new, well not brand new, it's used. It'd be nice to go out there though. Yeah. Yeah, sure is nice. Yeah. Now you have to be careful with this because the door is open for the mic, so I can't get this camera wet. Oh, when it's shut, no problem. But I did try and do a crazy shot like right here. I'd stick it in there and go up. Yeah, but you know, crazy it was. Pretty nice, pretty sweet. What's that? Then we crawl up the rocks to the famous Grandfather Rock. There it is. Yeah. A lot of people come out for the dusk, you know. Dusk till dawn. They come out to check things out. People from all over the world. Austria.
Guten Tag.
Guten Tag. Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen. Goodbye. See you, man.
See you, dude. Hearing a lot of different languages is pretty cool. So this is Joe Blair. This is a short and sweet one, as they say. How about I do this? I go over here. Kind of like where I was, there's no good. But to get the Grandfather Rock in the background here, there we go. Hopefully you can see it. But yeah, so this is my first ever shot with the new GoPro, the GoPro Hero 9. Wow, so keeping it real in Thailand once again. And hey, we'll see you in the next video, which is coming up very soon. So we'll see you on that next one. Bye. Pretty nice, pretty sweet. What's that?